Are you tired of feeling sluggish after a meal? It might be because your recipes are too high in carbohydrates. Many popular dishes, from pasta to baked goods, are packed with carbs, which can lead to energy crashes. My name's CJ and I'm one of the nutrition coaches here at CrossFit Indiana, with some signs that a recipe might just be a little bit carb heavy. The main ingredient is pasta. Pasta is a high carb food, so recipes centered around it can be carb heavy. Multiple carbohydrate rich foods. Dishes like those found in Latin, Asian, Southern, and Italian cuisines often combine multiple carbs, such as rice, corn, and beans. Refined flour and sugar in baked goods. These ingredients can spike your blood sugar and lead to high energy crashes. Don't worry, you can still enjoy these delicious dishes while balancing out the carbohydrates, giving you the best of both worlds and keeping your energy levels stable. Simple swaps like using pasta alternatives, reducing carbohydrate-rich ingredients, and modifying baked goods are all it takes to ensure that you're able to enjoy your favorite meals without compromising your health. You have the power to make these changes and to feel better. If you're looking for more specific tips on balancing your meals, I'm here and I'm ready to help. All you need to do is schedule a free intro today by clicking the link in our bio, or Facebook users, click the link below to get started.